This is Keith. She's a corporate girly, a content creator, coffee lover, matcha lover, lover, sister, friend, mentor, daughter. But above all, today, she is a birthday girl. So Keith, are you ready? You made a great impact in the universe, and the people around you are truly blessed for your existence. So now, sit back, relax, get some tissues because you might need them, and enjoy the show.
Happy birthday sa napakaganda kong asawa. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. At wish ko na always kang healthy. At lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako, nandito lang kami ng family mo para suportahan ka. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ariel!
Enjoy mo eh! Sana magpakaway si Andre! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Hi! Happy birthday! Hinaut pa nga. Mataas pa nga itong kinabuhi. Magkita pa ta. Ngayon, more birthdays to come. I love you. Bye-bye. May laki kami.
Oh, happy birthday! Sing na! Happy birthday!
Ito, may pagkain.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday,
From
Paul!
Jinsan.
To Abu Dhabi!
Happy birthday!
Wish you all the best and good health always. And hopefully, makalaan na nila soon with Apollo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Kit! Ayan, kagagaling lang namin mag-class.
Chor!
Char! Char! Arte-arte. Arte-arte. Birthday! Happy birthday! So, yun lang. Simple lang naman ang hiling ko na sana matupad ang mga wish mo. At kung ano man yun. And ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. And God bless, Ate Kit. See you very soon.
What's good, Miss Kit? Gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More blessing to come. And kung ano man po yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo, sana po yung maging successful kayo dun. Yun lang po. Happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Ate Kate, happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life, more blessings, more vlogging to come, and sana today you will spend your day with the people around you na magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness, joy, and maglilibre. Charot. And ayun, I know God blesses you. I know you deserve everything in life. So, thank you, Ate, for being supportive and being so humble and kind to me and to everyone. Enjoy your day and see ya!
Ate Kit, ano na? Birthday mo? Sana all. Hindi, joke lang. Seryoso na to, Ate Kit. Sana bigyan mo kami ng igado, charing. Ipinagdarasal ko, Ate Kit, na sana ngayong birthday mo, lahat ng pangarap at dasal mo ay matupad na. Maraming salamat, Ate Kit, dahil alam mo yan, isa ka sa mga naging inspirasyon ko. Sana, Ate, madami ka pang matulungang taon, ma-inspire, mapasaya, at mabigyan ng kape. Ang sarap kaya ng kape mo, Ate. Kaya ano pang hinintay niyo, sis? Shot puno na, Ate. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Keith!
Enjoy your birthday. God bless you.
And continue doing your aesthetically pleasing, beautiful pastries, mga kape mo na masasarap, and pati kami, dahil sa pagka-aesthetic mo, nahawa kami. So, happy birthday, God bless, of course, from Chakoy, and Wondering Kusina, Chakoy, and si
Mark.
Oh, yun, Mark daw. Chef Mark, happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Kit! Happy birthday! First of all, I want to say thank you for everything, as in literal everything, and all of the opportunities na ibinigay nyo at ibinibigay nyo sa aming magkapatid. Thank you kasi kayo yung isa sa pinakaunang nakarecognize ng talent ni Donna here in the UAE, and you are one of the first people who given opportunity sa kanya, and sobrang grateful kami of all the experiences, kain, videos, and everything na binibigay nyo and na-experience namin with you, and you are such an inspiration sa mga taong gustong maging content creators as well like me. And sobrang aesthetic ng mga shoots mo, and your videos are really enticing to watch, and I hope na one day I can also make videos like that. And of course, I am always praying. You've been included in my prayers na sana kung ano man yung desires ng heart mo, and kung ano man yung pinagpipray mo na dumating, I know in God's perfect timing na darating din yan. So, that's all. Mahaba na. And happy birthday. I wish you all the best, and we love you.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! And may God bless you more and grant all your wishes. Thank you for being such a kind and generous person. Palagi kayong ingatan ni Andre, at marami pang blessings ang dumating sa inyo. Happy birthday! See you!
Kit, happy birthday! Pasensya na, hindi ako nakapunta dyan. Joke lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga bagay na tinuro mo, mga tinulong mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi pati sa pamilya ko, sa lahat ng mga napasaya mong tao, lahat na na-inspire mong mga tao, lahat ng mga napapasaya mo sa pag-vlog mo, at sa pakikipagkapwa-tao at pagbibigay mo. You've been selfless and super generous to a lot of people, including me. At sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang blessings. Sana matupad ko naman yung mga gusto mo pang marating sa buhay, yung mga lugar na gusto mo pang mapuntahan, yung mga pagkain na gusto mo pang matikman. Wish you all the best, and more blessings to come, Kit. We love you!
Happy birthday to you! At dahil love na love natin ang outside shoot, ate, I'm shooting an outside shoot for your birthday. Charot!
Kidding aside, happy birthday, ate. I wish you all the best in life, in love, in career, and in everything in between. Thank you so much for all of the good stories, good food, good drinks, good company, and everything that you've given us. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for seeing whatever it is that's in me, for discovering me kay Kuya Tutsam, and for being with me all the time, for being such a great influence, such a good inspiration. And yes, I wish you all the best, and kung ano man po yung hinihiling ng puso mo at desire ng puso mo, kahit na ano man yan, sana ibigay sa inyo ni Lord, because you've been a really great person, a really great friend, a really great sister, mentor, and everything. Lahat. Thank you so much, and sana po magpatuloy pa ang lahat ng journey na ating nilalakad right now. And yes, more opportunities and more break for us. And take care of yourself. Always remember that you are surrounded with great people, and that you surround these people with great love and compassion, and lahat na. Thank you for being such an inspiration, and sana po marami pa tayong pagsamahan, and I wish you all the best, ate. You are really great, and I love you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, and I hope we will make this very memorable, and I hope we will end it with a blast and bang. So yes, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hope your day unfolds gently, Keith, like a quiet story written just for you. May every step you take be met with kindness, and may the wishes you've been carrying in your heart find their way to you, answered in ways that feel just right.